Hello and welcome to number 34, episode number 34 for vocabulary from iQuanta. क्या बात है यार, कंसिस्टेंसी भी कोई चीज़ होती है भाई. Alright, and मैं आपको रोज बोलता रहता हूँ कि बेटा पैसे कमाओ पैसे कमाओ. I mean, engage yourself on the app and make some iCoins and redeem after I think you kind of reached 500. And then also take a quick decision on joining the batches for IPMAT 27-28 and the first, oh no, don't shoot yourself. Abhi to we are just getting started. Ta-dang. Inimical. कुछ तो negative word है यार ये. हाँ, yes. Meaning tending to obstruct or harm. ये हमारा Tom and Jerry यार, amazing. अभी भी खाली बैठो तो यही देख लो. So, हाँ, by the way, getting back. Inimical is tending to obstruct or harm. Synonyms: detrimental, deleterious and pernicious. Wow, बड़ा सारे words हम note कर सकते हैं. By the way, detrimental is a more common word, everybody should know already. Deleterious तो मुझसे बोला नहीं जा रहा, मतलब uncommon है, free है. All right, and pernicious. Pernicious तो obviously harmful, सीधे सीधे ही मतलब इसका harmful ही होता है. बट सबका मतलब वही होता है. So बेटा please note down deleterious and pernicious as synonyms for inimical, which means to obstruct or to harm. Antonyms: helpful, advantageous. एक काम मैं अच्छा करता हूँ, antonyms मैं बिल्कुल simple रख देता हूँ आपके लिए. How do we use it? Although Helen and Frank have been divorced for 8 years, they are still inimical to one another. They are still harmful. मतलब 8 साल हो गया, अभी भी एक दूसरे का पीछा छोड़ नहीं रहे हैं, नुकसान ही पहुंचा रहे हैं. Alright, so that is inimical. यार अच्छा एग्जाम्पल है, याद रख सकते हैं आप लोग इस तरह से. The relationship has ended, but people are still hell bent on harming each other. Perverse, another negative word, showing a deliberate and obstinate. बेटा okay, यहाँ तो obstinate भी है. Desire to behave in a way that is unreasonable or unacceptable. बेटा obstinate का मतलब आपको पता होगा, it is stubborn. पहले आ चुका होगा आई थिंक, या फिर आपको ऑलरेडी पता होना चाहिए. एनीवे, perverse showing a deliberate, जानबूझ के, and obstinate, a very stubborn desire to behave in a way that is unreasonable or unacceptable. लॉजिकल नहीं है, एक्सेप्टेबल नहीं है, बंदा कर रहे हैं हम तो ऐसे बिहेव करेंगे. ढीठता. perverse. vexatious and obstreperous. ओहो भैया नोट करो, और कैसे याद करोगे तुम ही जानो. find a way. Vexatious and कैसे बोलेंगे यार, vexatious हाँ, vexatious and obstreperous. बेटा obstreperous मैंने कहीं देखा हुआ है, ये वाला नहीं देखा था मैंने, कहीं से चिपका दिया होगा उठा के मैंने. ठीक है, so please note down these two words as well. So for perverse, synonyms are vexatious and obstreperous. Obstreperous definitely आपको कहीं ना कहीं दिख जाएगा बेटा. obstruction, obstree, yes. ऐसे ही समझाता हूं मैं. And antonyms are of course accommodating and cooperative. वो बंदा obstinate है, बोला I'll not behave, I'll do whatever I want to do, come what may. That was perverse. His perverse sense of humor always made people uncomfortable. Now this guy is like the idiotic sort of person. He'll crack his own jokes, lame ones, make fun of people, which is highly unacceptable, but he will remain that way even if you tell him to change. So his perverse sense of humor always made people uncomfortable. Next, indignant, angry. सारे words negative आ रहे हैं यार. Yeah, the Simran. Feeling or showing anger or annoyance at what is perceived as unfair treatment. Beta, main thing is, if you perceive that you have been that you are victim of some injustice, and then when you get angry, now that is indignant, becoming indignant. अमरीश पुरी जी क्यों हो रहे हैं पता नहीं, नॉर्मली तो इनके चलते खुद ही सबको गुस्सा आता था. अग्रीव्ड, रिजेंटफुल, अफ्रंटेड. अफ्रंटेड बेटा मार्क कर ले, कहीं पॉलिटिकल पैसेज में कहीं दिख जाएगा. ओके, सो अग्रीव्ड, रिजेंटफुल एंड affronted, these are the synonyms for the word indignant. And what is indignant? Indignant is getting angry when you feel you are the victim of something that is not just. Antonyms: content है, pleased है, gratified है. ठीक है, thank you, खुश है, बोल रहा है मैं विक्टिम नहीं हूं भाई, अच्छी बात. She was indignant at the suggestion that she was not qualified for the job. All right. अब उसको लग रहा है कि यार मेरे क्वालिफिकेशन तो है जॉब को लेके, अगला बोल रहा है नो 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 यू आर नॉट क्वालिफाइड फॉर दिस जॉब, तो यू फील एंग्री एट दैट, एंड नाउ दैट इज हाउ वी यूज द वर्ड indignant. Next word is invective. गाली 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 गाली, insulting, abusive or highly critical language. All words are negative यार, सारे words negative निकले अभी तक. भाई बेटा invective, insulting language, जंतर मंतर, precisely. Vituperation, expletives वही गालियां, and vituperation, हाँ ये एक वर्ड आया जो आपके टोन वाले में कहीं पूछ लेते हैं, is it vituperative? Alright, मतलब highly critical with using insulting language. Alright, expletives जो गालियां आप और मैं दिल खोल के दे रहे हैं. And antonyms, praise, तारीफ 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 तारीफ, कोई बुरी बात नहीं बोलेंगे. How do we use it? During the heated argument, John resorted to hurling invective remarks at his co-worker, which only escalated the situation further. तो arguments already heated चल रहे थे. जॉन भाई ने बोला हम गालियां भी देंगे, तो of course फिर क्या हो गया? The situation became worse, which only escalated the situation further. Onus, एक वर्ड आया है जो नेगेटिव नहीं है कम से कम. Responsibility, the onus lies. हाँ, the something that is one's duty or responsibility. ये तीनों responsibility थी किसकी? राजू की in 3 Idiots. पापा मम्मी बहन की शादी. All right, so you have something that is one's duty or responsibility. The onus was on Raju to become a good engineer, earn some money and take care of all these people in his family. Synonyms, liability हो सकता है, obligation या फिर duty. All right, easy ones. And antonyms are exoneration and exculpation. Freedom. Better please note down the antonyms. There is very rare that we need to note down the antonyms. They are usually simple words that I keep, but out here it's just the uno reverse हो गया ये. So please note down the antonyms: exoneration and exculpation. मतलब मुक्त कर दिया, free कर दिया, बरी कर दिया, जाने दिया. The onus is on the pharmacist to make sure the medications are properly dispensed. Whose responsibility is it to make sure that the medications are properly dispensed, properly given? The pharmacist. All right. Fine, bhai. Perverse, that behavior which was unacceptable, unreasonable, but the person is hell-bent on doing the same, obstinate. Okay. Indignant, angry, especially when you feel like a victim. Onus, responsibility, liability, duty. Invective, criticize heavily using insulting language. Yeah. And inimical, harmful or obstructing. Yes. The usage. The serial killer found perverse pleasure in every murder he committed. True or false? हाँ तो stubborn हो गया ना उसको. It is not acceptable to kill people like that, yeah. And he's serial killer. So I think we can go with. We can go with true. Next, the is on employers to follow health and safety laws. Okay, employers के ऊपर जिम्मेदारी डाल देते हैं. The onus is on employers to follow health and safety laws. भाई आपने कंपनी स्टार्ट किया है, फैक्ट्री खोला है, तो onus is on you to make sure that people are healthy and safe. I was ragtag indignant because I felt that I had been punished unfairly. But a ragtag was a collection of things or people who were not congruent. A ragtag group of soldiers ऐसे करके यूज हुआ था. I think it came last to last और last में ही आया होगा कहीं. तो आंसर तो बेटा by the way, I was angry because I felt that I had been punished unfairly. I was indignant. Lack of ambition is perverse or inimical to success. If you don't have ambition, chances are you will not be successful. So it is not perverse, it is obstructing. So lack of ambition is inimical to success. That is, it's an obstruction, it is harmful. The gesture infuriated, made angry. All right. The gesture infuriated him and he let out a stream of adhesive. Adhesive to glue hota hai. So not obviously not glue, it is invective, insulting language. And here we are. सो जा रे बेटा सो जा वरना गो आ जाएगा. I don't, if you haven't seen Andaz Apna, please go and watch it. Absolute nonsense, but you'll love it. सो जा बेटा वरना गो आ जाएगा. But before सोना, decide किस बैच में आपका एडमिशन होना. बाय बाय.